Alright, so today we're doing a video of this Rancilio Silvia. Oh, and by the way, this is Kanen coffee espresso machines. And this is the most clogged Rancilio Silvia I have ever seen. And I've seen a lot of Rancilio Silvias. So, you know, we've been repairing espresso machines for 8 years here. So, specializing in home machines. So let's go ahead and look at the water. And you see that the water is actually going out the sides of the screen instead of through it because the screen is so clogged. At first I thought maybe the three-way valve was leaking, but nope. And then we have, although I am concerned that the three-way valve might be clogged, and then you see that this brew group, or excuse me, portafilter is so clogged that, yeah, it's completely clogged. Completely blocked here, completely blocked here. I guess I've seen this before in a portafilter, but never this bad, I don't think. If I have, it's been a while. So, you know, this Rancilio Silvia has been used and abused. So, thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.